Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the OnePlus 6T against the iPhone XS Max. So we have the Snapdragon 845 going up against the A12 Bionic, 8GB of RAM versus 4. Which one of these phones will come out on top? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the OnePlus 6T. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 845 CPU and the Adreno 630 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Then we have the iPhone XS Max. It has a Super Retina display. It's on the latest version of iOS 12. It has the A12 Bionic CPU, an in-house Apple GPU and 4GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the scores are tied at 7 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the OnePlus 6T wins by 3 points. So that is the end of the speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1 the scores were tied at 7 points each. However, in round 2 the OnePlus 6T won by 3 points. As for the price difference, the iPhone XS Max cost twice as much or even more compared to the OnePlus 6T. So it really comes down to if you want Android or iOS and how much your budget is. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, including comparisons with the Asus ROG Phone. So make sure you have that bell notification enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.